Today we are present here for learning Salesforce, right? This is a demo
Mm-hmm.
of Salesforce. So in the
Mm-hmm.
Salesforce, there are two parts. One is Salesforce admin, another is Salesforce development.
Okay.
So the complete, like those who want to do develop like more extensible work, those that is not present in Salesforce, they want something extra. Those only need to learn development. Otherwise,
Okay.
everything is present in the Salesforce admin part.
Mm-hmm.
So let's start today's Salesforce training, Salesforce learning. So myself is Shuvam Panda. So I am a trainer since more than 5 6 years. Okay,
Okay.
so I am a
Yeah.
Salesforce consultant as well. So I'm not
Mm-hmm.
working as a Salesforce person, but I am in a consultant. Salesforce consultant means those who have any doubts, difficulties, or any other queries related to Salesforce, I just clear them
Mm-hmm.
out, and
Oh,
I
okay.
am the like professional trainer, certified trainer of Salesforce. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now coming to the part today's agenda. In today's agenda, we will learn what is the Salesforce is all about. Introduction
Mm-hmm.
of cloud computing, because it is very
Mm-hmm.
much necessary. You need to understand that.
Yeah.
Then fundamental of CRM. What is CRM? Then after that, we got the introduction. Then we will start to creating our first Salesforce application.
Okay.
Otherwise, it is called Salesforce org.
Okay. So,
Uh,
Salesforce, you said creating our first Salesforce application, right? So, creating an application is a job of developer or like admin?
no, like creating an application means once you go into a company, there must be existing application. You need to alter that. Okay,
Okay.
but how we can alter if we don't know, like if we don't know how to write A, B, C, D, then how can we
Mm-hmm.
write a sentence?
Yeah, right.
So for that, creating application is present in admin part, as well as
Okay.
like those that the thing, like a company
Mm-hmm.
uses Salesforce. Okay, sometime
Mm-hmm.
they require some more extra things. Those are not present in the Salesforce admin part. That time you
Okay.
need to write code to extend
Mm-hmm.
the functionality of Salesforce. Okay,
Okay.
the coding
Okay.
part goes on the development side.
Development side. Okay. Okay.
It is the coding technology is called Apex, APEX,
Okay. Okay.
and rest all thing in the admin part. Everything can be done. No need to worry about that. Everything can be done, and those are
Mm-hmm.
like simple drag and drop, using your own mind, using your
Mm-hmm.
own like uh, feeling. You can do it. Okay, in the admin
Okay.
part, like it is very simple, very easy. Okay,
Okay.
and in the development part also it is very easy, but
Mm-hmm.
development comes when the admin, you are good at admin and you want to do the development part, you can do the
Mm-hmm.
development as well.
Okay.
So
Okay.
creating a fast application means there are some basic fundamentals, rules or structure or module, we can say, those we need to understand. And once we need to understand like this is our practical training. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so only
Mm-hmm.
today I will like do the introduction part, the screen sharing
Okay.
part, the PPT part only for today. From day
Okay.
second onwards, we will directly jump to your screen or else my screen, and we will
Mm-hmm.
creating our application. We will go deep into Salesforce and learn it. Okay,
Okay.
without any PPT, without any slide, without any theory, only practical
Okay.
application.
Okay. Okay.
So, like if we create a application, that time we alter it and we get different more and more functionality to learn in Salesforce.
Mm-hmm.
Again, we need to remember that Salesforce
Yeah.
provide three updates everywhere, thrice a year. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
so three updates means every 3 months, or sorry, every 4 months, new
Mm-hmm.
features are added in the Salesforce.
Okay.
So we need to keep updated with that as well. So if we
Okay.
don't create any application, then we will not go deep into that. So that's why I have
Mm-hmm.
included the creating application in
Creating.
Salesforce.
Okay. Okay.
Then coming to the next part, there is Salesforce Classic and Lightning. So before some years, there are I will go into that. Two version. One
Okay.
is Classic, one is Lightning. I will go into that.
Mm-hmm.
After that, we can do a easy question answer session as well.
Okay,
Hmm.
sure.
Okay. So let's go from the basic and let's know how Salesforce emerged. What is the requirement of Salesforce?
Mm-hmm.
So today, if we want to create a startup organization of our own, if we create a company of our own, so there are pretty much plenty of challenges we need to face, like to take office space rent, to make furniture, light, every arrangement. Then after the infrastructure got developed, then after we
Mm-hmm.
need to worry about the internet networking part. After that,
Yeah,
we need to worry about the electronics computer part. After
yeah.
that, we need to worry about the hiring part. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
After that, we need to get think about how we get more clients. That is marketing part. After we
Yeah.
do marketing, we get plenty of customer. Then again,
Mm-hmm.
the challenge is how to manage those customer, how to save like customer support is another part.
Mm-hmm.
So for a company, for a startup company, or for any existing established company, there are
Mm-hmm.
plenty of challenges they face. So
Mm-hmm.
here you can see on the left hand side, this is a IT company. So they
Yeah.
have plenty much of encounters like challenges they are facing. First is the
Mm-hmm.
infrastructure challenges.
Mm-hmm.
They need to worry about network, they need to worry about storage, hard disk, operating system, database, right? Disaster
Yeah.
management. All these are challenges for any organization.
Mm-hmm.
Secondly, coming to the application part, once they do the infrastructure part, the application in the application they need to provide high security, secure
Mm-hmm.
application, sharing with different employees, integration with different part, payment gateway integration, search, message, analytics, how workflow is going on, how we
Mm-hmm.
can accept multiple currency. These are also a challenge.
Okay.
Coming to the operation part, again monitoring many employees is a part. Backup of the
Mm-hmm.
data, we have done backup of the application.
Mm-hmm.
Then management upgrade. So these are the challenges today IT companies face. So what
Okay.
happen in the challenge of the three column, one column, two column, three column, if the
Mm-hmm.
owner, if the company management will will try to fix, or will put their mind on fixing all these, they will not go for the innovation, right?
Mm.
So every
Right.
other company is there to give their innovation, to give the solution, product or service that help the user or customer. That's why they are there, right?
Okay.
So for example, like um, for example, if we take any internet providing service or
Mm-hmm.
Airbnb, let's say Airbnb. So there
Mm-hmm.
was like challenges that how a traveler, how a visitor will stay. So that
Mm-hmm.
problem Airbnb solved, and now Airbnb is a successful company.
Mm-hmm.
Similarly, like Facebook is a social media, people were now confined in room, and Facebook
Mm-hmm.
connects every each other. Facebook, WhatsApp. So because
Yeah.
they are solving the issues problem, that's why they are now successful. If so, think about the situation. If they will only
Mm-hmm.
focus on the challenges, not for the
Mm-hmm.
innovation, not for the growth of the company, then will they
Mm-hmm.
survive? No.
No.
So right now, these challenges, for to solve these challenges, if we think that if we have a solution or software or something that can
Mm-hmm.
solve all the challenges in the IT, then
Mm-hmm.
only a company person or a management will focus on the innovation part.
Mm-hmm.
So this will make them improve, make them grow as a company.
Yeah.
So the first thing is that we need to solve, we need to query, we need to resolve all the challenges that we face. So we need a
Mm-hmm.
software that simplifies all these situations.
Yeah.
Now coming to the next part, what is cloud computing? So before learning Salesforce, we need there is a relation between cloud computing and Salesforce. So I will tell you
Mm-hmm.
about that.
Okay.
So cloud computing means it is a cloud. Cloud means not the overhead cloud. Cloud
Mm-hmm.
means present everywhere.
Okay.
The computing or the calculation present everywhere. That is called a cloud
Mm-hmm.
computing. So
Mm-hmm.
maybe the same thing you can access through your mobile in US, maybe
Yeah.
the same thing I can access from my PC from India, maybe someone
Yeah.
from tablet from Australia. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
the particular computing software solution or anything present anywhere, that is called a cloud computing.
Cloud
Okay.
computing. Yeah.
For basic, I will tell. Do you use Google Drive?
Yes, yes, yes. I was about to tell you about that. Google Drive is a cloud.
Google Drive is a cloud
Yeah.
platform. It's not
Yeah.
computing really, but it's a cloud
Yeah. It's
platform.
a cloud platform. Yeah. Right.
So that you can store your data and you can access the data. You can share the
Yeah.
data anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
It is a cloud platform.
Yeah.
Now, coming to the cloud computing, so there are multiple things available. First
Mm-hmm.
one is here, like some companies are there. Those are
Mm-hmm.
called SaaS company. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
SaaS.
Yeah.
Uh,
Software as a service.
yeah, software as a service. So SaaS
Yeah.
means software as a service.
Mm-hmm.
Mainly they provide a software that
Mm-hmm.
rests on cloud. Okay, cloud
Mm-hmm.
software they provide, and accordingly they charge the price. And those
Okay.
software are available anywhere. Huh.
Mm-hmm.
So think about software. If I'll tell you, let's imagine like Facebook. Okay, Facebook is
Mm-hmm.
present everywhere.
Yeah.
So let's for that. So software as a service means a software that is present everywhere, resides on the
Everything.
cloud, and can be used anywhere. That is called a
Okay.
software as a service. So
Okay.
in this, the advantage of that, it is present on the cloud. It is not present on our uh, mobile, on our PC. Okay, so this is
Uh-huh.
the advantage. So
Yeah.
company nowadays company makes software as a service or cloud platform softwares, and you need to, as a user, we need to create account and use that. No need to install anything in our
Mm-hmm.
PC, right?
System. Yeah.
So, coming to the part of cloud computing, there are several building blocks present in the cloud computing. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
let's go simple, like a little bit deep into that. So, first is that application exchange.
Mm-hmm.
Application exchange means in the cloud computing, there may be plenty of application present. uh,
Okay.
we can exchange the data of from one application to another application. For example, like we have a login detail of Google, so the same
Mm-hmm.
login detail works for YouTube as well. Same
Okay.
detail login working for email as well. Huh.
Mm-hmm.
The same is for Google Ads, same is for AdSense. So same all Google service can be accessed
Mm-hmm.
through one login detail. That means all these information, like Gmail is a different application, YouTube is a different application, but the data getting exchanged from one side to another side.
One side to another side. Okay.
User interface as a service, UI means the look and feel.
Mm-hmm.
Logic at a service, the calculation part.
Mm-hmm.
Integration as a service, integration means, let's say we are like we are a e-commerce company, and we
Okay.
e-commerce company, we deliver products to doorstep.
Mm-hmm.
Now we
Mm-hmm.
sell our products to our e-commerce platform, our website or mobile app. Now once
Mm-hmm.
the order is complete, then we go for a payment gateway. In the
Yeah.
payment gateway we pay. After
Mm-hmm.
that, it integrates with the delivery partner. The same data,
Mm-hmm.
no one is giving the data to delivery guy
Mm-hmm.
to like to deliver the item. Everything is integrated.
Mm-hmm.
So this is called integration as a service. Next comes
Okay.
database as a service. So
Revision.
like some companies are there, those who are present giving us
Mm-hmm.
database. Database means,
Mm-hmm.
for example, Google Drive. They provide us data.
Yeah.
Database. Okay,
Data.
means
Mm-hmm.
online storage
Mm-hmm.
as a service they provide.
Okay.
So coming to the part, every building block of the cloud computing that is present in this slide is
Mm-hmm.
mainly necessary for any cloud computing cloud software.
Okay.
Okay. Now coming to the part, Salesforce is again a cloud computing platform and a
Mm-hmm.
SaaS platform as well. Salesforce
Okay.
is present on the cloud.
Present.
We can
Yeah.
use Salesforce. If we create an
Anyway.
account, we can
Mm-hmm.
create an account. We can use the Salesforce anywhere.
Okay.
Huh. So previous time, let me tell you that what is a CRM. CRM means customer relationship management.
Mm-hmm.
So again, the challenge I discussed, like when you set up a company, you start
Yeah.
marketing, and every day you are getting 150, 200, 500 of
Mm-hmm.
customers. Some of them
Mm-hmm.
are getting converted, some of them are yet to convert. They are interested.
Yeah.
Some of them
Yeah.
are not interested at all. Some of them maybe convert after 1 month or 2 months.
Mm-hmm.
So how daily 500 customer data after
Mm-hmm.
5 years? Think how huge is the data?
Mm-hmm.
So how you manage those data, right? Customer data. If you
Right.
don't manage the customer data, you will not get paid, right? The customer
Yeah.
will pay you. So you
Yeah.
have to manage the customer. Let's say for a customer saying that call me on the date 25th
Mm-hmm.
July and
Mm-hmm.
we can proceed for the payment. So if you
Mm-hmm.
forget and if you forget that, then the customer will not call you back. So
Yeah.
your deal get lost. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So from huge data, from millions of data, we have to manage each and every customer. That's why
Mm-hmm.
there is a software called CRM, Customer
Yeah.
Relationship Management. Okay,
Okay.
so it is a
Yeah.
platform for every part of your company that handle with
Mm-hmm.
the customer.
Okay.
Okay, mainly this particular CRM application is used for marketing team, sales team,
Mm-hmm.
e-commerce team, and service team.
Mm-hmm. Service stream. Okay.
Okay, so how the customer relationship management work? Like if we for this particular, this is like let's say this is a software. We
Mm-hmm.
can do email integration. Like if a
Mm-hmm.
payment is pending, we can
Mm-hmm.
send regularly like
Send an
reminder
email.
email,
Okay.
reminder, email. And think it
Okay.
is huge data
Mm-hmm.
we have. We cannot do manual email sending to each.
Yeah.
We have a automated solution in CRM as well.
Mm-hmm.
Then follow up for getting new project as well. Those need to be
Mm-hmm.
automated.
Mm-hmm.
Documentation, those need to be automated. Uh,
Yeah.
Sales calls again, those need to be automated. So everything
Mm-hmm.
can be kept inside a CRM.
Okay.
Okay. So,
Yep.
like coming to the part, Salesforce is, as I told, it is a cloud computing platform
Cloud.
and it is a CRM as well. So,
Yep.
confining both the or
Mm-hmm.
combining both of these, we can say that Salesforce is a cloud computing CRM. CRM,
Mm-hmm.
cloud computing CRM. Salesforce is a cloud computing CRM. Means this
Mm-hmm.
CRM is present on the cloud.
Mm-hmm.
So this CRM, the particular, as I told that this particular CRM can can resolve all the challenges a IT company face. For
Okay.
example, I have given the sales marketing example, and any
Mm-hmm.
other example, stock management,
Mm-hmm.
sales cloud, service cloud, customer relationship, after sales
Mm-hmm.
service, anything we can do over the Salesforce. Hmm.
Okay.
So for that, for a part, let's say sales. For sales, we need a customized software, right?
Yeah.
So
Right.
that we can do inside the Salesforce as well. Salesforce give us a platform. We need to configure it to make a software as we like. After
Okay.
sales application, that is called sales cloud or sales application. Then after sales, let's say we are a electronics mobile vendor. So once we sell the product, maybe some of the mobile get damaged or something, we need to provide the service as well. So
Mm-hmm.
again, we need an application for service that is called Service Cloud. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
Service part again that we can create inside this Salesforce. Salesforce is a cloud computing platform. Give us platform for any uh, We can solve any IT infrastructure or any IT challenges through Salesforce.
Okay.
Coming to the architecture part of Salesforce, in the left side you find that there is a building.
Mm-hmm.
Huh. And on the right hand side it is written that it's a multi-tenant architecture.
Multi-tenant. Yeah.
Salesforce is a software which can take multiple tenant or multiple user at a single time.
Mm-hmm.
So there are currently co-working space available. Right?
Okay.
Co-working space means if you are a one-person company or
Mm-hmm.
two-person company, you don't need to think about all the infrastructure, network, and any challenges. You just
Mm-hmm.
go to the office, you
Mm-hmm.
just pay them for 1% or 2%, and your office
Mm-hmm.
work gets done.
Okay.
Whatever internet, whatever water, whatever uh, bandwidth, whatever you are using, for that only you are
Mm-hmm.
paying over there. You are not paying
Okay.
for the whole building rent or the whole floor.
Mm-hmm.
So if you are there, then only you pay. If you are not there, then you need not need to pay.
Okay.
So these are the new revolution in the office space technology.
Uh-huh.
But right now, the same thing is provided by Salesforce. Salesforce
Okay.
can take multiple user all over the world, and
Mm-hmm.
the particular how much we are using, that much we are paying.
Okay.
Any cloud computing platform you think, like Google Drive, there are
AWS.
several
Yeah.
planning. Yeah, AWS. Yeah, good
Yeah.
example. You are more technical onto that. AWS,
Mm.
Amazon Web Service also. There
Yeah.
is a save like free plan for basic. Then once you cover the basic plan, then how much you
Then
use,
yeah.
that much you
Yeah.
much.
That much we have to pay. Yeah. Right.
So that depends on different factors like our storage space,
Mm-hmm.
bandwidth, number of user,
So
uh, and total uptime and all. So calculating all those, AWS provides us a bill, right?
so who calculates all those? Is this a part of BA or the company decides it?
It is
Like
the
how much
company
they want to
decision.
take it? Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
You just need to log in into the Salesforce. You need to create your application. You focus on the innovation part, business solution part. The billing part,
Okay.
Salesforce will handle, and
Okay. The
you
company
will
will
know,
handle that.
and you will get a
Okay.
bill regarding that. And it will not
Okay.
like not something you will get shocked. Very simple
Mhm.
pricing of Salesforce.
Okay.
So as we use that
Mm-hmm.
much, we need to pay in Salesforce. So for
Okay.
that, so previously what happens before 5-10 years before introduction of Salesforce, company uses CRM, and that
Mhm.
CRM is installed in each system of a
System.
office,
Okay.
and that is a ready-made software, and they need to pay the software company comes, install on the
Mm-hmm.
PC, and whenever they need a service, sometimes software does not work, again they come. If they want to
Yeah.
update, again they come. So it is a lengthy process, time consuming
Mm-hmm.
process, and the costlier part as
Mm-hmm.
well. So now,
Mm-hmm.
because of the COVID pandemic, if the situation goes like this, then a company
Yeah.
will not survive. So
Yeah.
because of the COVID pandemic, everything need to be come to the cloud.
Mm-hmm.
So before that, Salesforce has introduced, many other companies are using Salesforce, but they are simply available. Huh.
Mm-hmm.
So let's create the first Salesforce application. So before that,
Yeah.
let me come to my PC screen again.
Sure.
Browser, and in here we need to learn Salesforce, right? So first, our first application that we are going to learn is, let's do the demo part. Okay, create
Okay.
your first Salesforce org. So org
Mm-hmm.
means org means organization.
Organization. Yeah.
So organization means uh, like Salesforce organization means a module or a part or something create in our
Mm-hmm.
Salesforce. So there
Mm-hmm.
are several things that I need to be discussed. First is let's jump to developer.salesforce.com. Okay,
Okay.
developer.salesforce.com. So you got the basics of Salesforce, right? Introduction,
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
understood. So now you must ask me that why we are going for
Developer.
developer.salesforce,
Yeah.
why we are not going for
Admin.
salesforce.com.
Yeah. Or mm-hmm.
SLSFORC.com. Huh. So why we are going for developer.salesforce? It is a developer part
Mm-hmm.
is a extension of Salesforce. Why we are not going for salesforce.com? Because
Mm-hmm.
Salesforce, we are learning Salesforce. So why we are not
Mm-hmm.
going for salesforce.com?
Yeah.
So this question, let me answer that. Salesforce.com is a cloud computing platform.
Mm-hmm.
Number one, world's number one CRM platform.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so here right side you can see a chatbot appears. There
Yeah.
is a free trial available. So the free
Mm-hmm.
trial is for 30 days only.
Okay.
Currently what we are doing, so what is the solution, what is CRM, how to grow a small business, what is Salesforce,
Mm-hmm.
uh, how it is the number one
Mm-hmm.
CRM, what is the more
Mm-hmm.
features benefits of Salesforce available.
Mm-hmm.
Everything is there on the salesforce.com part, but limited part is there in the Salesforce development part.
Okay.
So what is the
So
difference
all
between .com and development?
so
Like,
all the companies use developer.salesforce.com, right? Or they use
uh,
salesforce.com.
yeah, let me tell you. As I told, the
Mm-hmm.
Salesforce, particular Salesforce.com is a
Mm-hmm.
uh, paid plan,
Limited version.
limited
Yeah.
plan. Hmm. And
Mm-hmm.
there is a trial version available for free. So this
Mm-hmm.
particular Salesforce.com is more on to customer focused. Okay, this is the
Okay. Okay.
final product, final CRM. Okay,
Okay.
a company will use Salesforce.com.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, first 30 days they can use it for free. If they like, they can go
Mm-hmm.
to the paid plan. And paid plan, as I told, that whatever we are using, that much we need to pay.
Yeah.
Simple, the paid plan. Now, if we are a developer, so as
Mm-hmm.
we know, like you are from basic, you don't know anything about Salesforce. So there will
Yeah. Right.
be learning part, learning curve, practice curve,
Mm-hmm.
doubt clearing curve. If you want to
Mm-hmm.
appear for Salesforce certification, then there is a learning curve. Uh, Maybe
Mm-hmm.
it will take 1 month, 2 months, 3 months time, right?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe you are more interested, you want to explore Salesforce more. Then if you go for salesforce.com and try for the free version for 30 days, that will not sufficient for you,
Okay.
right? This is a more customer focused, business focused. Only business person, customer person will come, create account, and they are ready to go.
Okay.
Okay. Now we are starting career as a Salesforce developer, Salesforce admin, and all. So we need a
Mm-hmm.
Salesforce for free, so that we
Okay.
can try our hands, we can do all the exploration, we can learn, we can practice. huh? So
Mm-hmm.
for that we need a free Salesforce account that is not present in salesforce.com but present in Salesforce
Yes.
developer part.
Developer.com. Okay.
That's why we are here for developer.salesforce. Everything is same, everything is same.
Mm-hmm.
Salesforce.com is a final product, this is a product for
Mm-hmm.
developer. This is free for
Okay.
developer, you cannot do production part. You cannot.
Okay.
Now you will think like, as an Indian we can think that we can create account on developer and we can use it for our company. No, that is not
Mm-hmm.
possible because there are some limitations over there, data
Okay.
limitations, bandwidth limitations, and okay, we need
Mm-hmm.
to go after we learn, we need to go for salesforce.com and we need to create
Okay.
a org
Okay.
into that.
Okay.
So
So
what?
developer part is for learning and actual part is for Salesforce. Actual part is done on salesforce.com, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. Okay.
Now, because we are learner, we are students, we need to create
Yeah.
our Salesforce account in the
Mm-hmm.
developer part. So in the right
Okay.
hand side uh, section, on the top section, you will find a sign up button. I will click the
Mm-hmm.
sign up button right now. So in the sign up part, you can see there you need to create your own
Mm-hmm.
developer edition of your Salesforce. And
Okay.
this is a lightning part and it is for free.
Okay.
What is lightning? I will tell you. uh, don't worry about that. So because it is a free, we need to create our account. You need to put your first name, last name, email id,
Mm-hmm.
your job role
Mm-hmm.
into the
Mm-hmm.
company, your name of the
Mm-hmm.
company, postal code, and username is must be your email id.
Okay.
So remember that your email id must be accessible, so that every time, because it is a cloud computing platform, it
Mm-hmm.
solves all the requirement. It is a secure platform, so every
Mm-hmm.
times for any suspicious activity, for any login, they will require otp. So the
Okay.
email must be your primary email, so that we
Uh-huh.
can log in into our Salesforce all the time.
Okay.
Okay, once you create the account, we can go for this login into Salesforce. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
developer.salesforce.com login. Login
Okay.
button is available on here,
Mm-hmm.
or else you can use the URL called as present as written login.salesforce.com. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
login.salesforce.com. And
So
yeah, please tell.
all these features are same in salesforce.com.
Yeah.
Exactly same, right?
Huh, huh. But
Okay.
we are
Okay.
learning in developer part. There are
Mm-hmm.
extensible uh, functionality. Functionality are same. For company, we need more number of data column, more number
Yeah,
of
yeah.
bandwidth, that are
Mm-hmm.
limited in the developer.
Okay. Okay.
So now I have come to the login.salesforce.com, because I have created a developer account past many years back. So I don't need
Mm-hmm.
to create an account. You have to create the account. So
Okay.
because I have an account already present, I came to login.salesforce.com and
Mm-hmm.
I need to log in.
Okay.
So here you see that the user ID and password is saved in my browser, so I am logging into
Mm-hmm.
that. So after like every 3 months, it says to change your password.
Okay.
So I need to change my password as well,
Mm-hmm.
so that I can log in, because it is a secure platform. I need to
Yeah.
uh, change the password. So
Okay.
mm, this is saying that you cannot use the old password. So need
Mm-hmm.
to,
So every time you have to use a new password.
yeah.
Okay.
Allow access.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, now you can see that we are into the
Mm-hmm.
login part. So again, let me log out and let's see login.salesforce.com. Then this is my username. Allow.
Mm-hmm.
Here I got my login. Okay. Now going to my
Okay.
developers account. Ah, I went to my developers account and here it's opening my application that I built. It is a hotel management application. Okay, however data is not
Okay.
uh, data is not input over there because I have created for
Mm-hmm.
training purpose only. No data is
Mm-hmm.
present, but there is a hotel management application I have created earlier. So
Okay.
let's not go
Okay.
into that. That is we will focus on to that later on. So coming to the part, this is our Salesforce platform. This is our Salesforce platform,
Okay.
how a Salesforce will look.
Mm-hmm.
Into here setup, into the this is a gear icon. In the gear
Mm-hmm.
icon, if we click setup, this is our main home screen that once you create your account you will come to here. Okay, this is a Salesforce setup account or home page or anything you can say.
Mm-hmm.
This is our Salesforce.
Okay.
uh, Now coming to the next part, there are two versions of Salesforce. One is Salesforce Lightning and another is Salesforce Classic. One is Lightning, another is Classic.
Okay.
So in the
Mm-hmm.
part, this is our Salesforce Lightning. You can see lightning.force.
Yeah, lightning. Mm-hmm.
So force, what is force.com? Force.com is the parent of Salesforce. Okay. Force.com is a parent company
Okay.
of Salesforce. So like you
Okay.
heard of Paytm,
Mm-hmm.
Paytm, right?
Yeah.
So that Paytm is a company, but this is not a parent company. The parent company is 197 Communications. You
Okay.
heard of Google? Google is not as well. Google is a product.
Yeah.
The parent company is Alphabet. YouTube is a
Okay.
product. The parent company is Alphabet. Like this, Salesforce
Uh-huh.
is a product, and parent company is Post.com.
Post.com. Okay.
So this is our Lightning platform of Salesforce. Lightning means it is an updated platform. So
Mm-hmm.
previously there are two versions. Now there are two versions. One is Lightning, another is Classic. So in the Lightning is a updated one. Classic is the older one. Why the Lightning
Okay.
has been introduced? This is the next question.
Mm-hmm.
The next question I will answer that because it is a cloud platform, we need to
Mm-hmm.
run this Salesforce in our mobile device, iPad device, computer, PC, anywhere, TV, anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
And the classic part is not so suitable for that. That one is
Okay.
not so like user interactive or mobile friendly, I can say, not like that.
Okay.
For
Okay.
that, to improve that, a lightning version has been introduced.
Uh-huh.
So let's switch to the classic. However, we can switch to the classic and lightning anytime. Many trainer nowadays as well, they are doing training, providing training on the classic part. But
Mm-hmm.
classic part will soon fade away, and I am
Mm-hmm.
providing the updated part that is lightning. Okay,
Okay.
everything
Okay.
lightning and classic both are same. Let's switch to the classic ones so that you
Mm-hmm.
can get better clarity. So on here, this is on the right side top. If you click view profile,
Mm-hmm.
then on the
Okay.
below of that bottom of that you can see switch to Salesforce Classic.
Uh-huh.
So I just need to click onto that.
Okay.
So here it is a classic. So see the UI is not so good.
Yeah.
User interface. This is again this like setup. If I come to the setup, setup means
Mm-hmm.
this is the home. Okay. So
Okay.
see, the setup part is not so UI friendly, not so looking modern and like this.
Uh-huh.
If I make it, see, I'm reducing the screen size right now. Okay, focus on it.
Mm-hmm.
See, from right side, things are getting cut, right?
Yeah. Right.
Yes, see, the things are getting cut.
Mm-hmm.
So let's say this is like this may be the accurate size of a mobile screen, but see that for
Yeah.
mobile screen, how we can use if it is not mobile
Mm.
friendly. This is the
Yeah,
screen
right.
size of iPad, I guess. So see, some
Yeah.
portions of right side are getting cut. How we can use it?
Yeah.
Uh, so for
Mm-hmm.
that, a better experience or a better UI experience, better UI, better looks, the Salesforce Lightning has been introduced.
Okay.
However, however, the Lightning and the classic part have the same functionality, same
Same
from
thing.
platform, same.
Okay.
But the UI, the process flow are somehow little bit different. The Lightning part
Okay.
is modern than the classic.
Mm-hmm.
Again,
Okay.
now you want to like switch to the Lightning part. Here there is an
Mm-hmm.
option switch to Lightning experience.
Sister lightning experience. Okay.
Because I have created a application. So every time you create a application, by default, once you log in, you will go to that application.
Okay.
That's why the hotel management part is coming. So
Yeah.
for now, it will not come like this because there
Mm-hmm.
will be a new account for you.
Mm-hmm.
If that happens, go to setup and go to setup screen. Now I am in the setup screen. So see the
Mm-hmm.
UI looks better. Everything is better arranged over there.
Mm-hmm.
See, there is a like drag and drop, like inside menu, sub menu, and
Mm-hmm.
sub menus are also available. Like everything is pretty much arranged,
Okay.
and this thing is
Mm-hmm.
completely iPad friendly. See that nothing
Yeah.
get caught in the same iPad screen. Nothing get caught from
Mm-hmm.
any side. Those are arranged.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
see those things are getting arranged automatically as per my screen width.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, nothing get caught from anywhere, so that we
Okay.
can access those in our other devices as well. This is the
Okay.
benefit of our classic and the lightning of Salesforce. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so if we create a application, there are objects we need to follow. Okay, I will tell you the object part later on.
Okay.
Because we will go for the practical session, so let me know, like, do you have any questions, query regarding the things that we have learned today?
Not as of now. It's going good. I am understanding. Yeah.
So this is first class. The demo class is more focused on the basic part, and from tomorrow, as I show you on the
Basic.
next slide, objects. So from objects we will go
Okay.
creating our objects. We will go deep inside our Salesforce, developer.salesforce.com.
Mm-hmm.
We have to explore many things in the Salesforce. So from day two onwards, everything will be practical. So let's make the practical
Okay.
thing. Let's put the practical thing from day two, so that
Mm-hmm.
we can put hands-on experience onto that. So right now, as you
Okay.
have understood